Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
On some Fastrack smartwatches, custom wallpapers persist after normal changes. A factory reset is the only guaranteed way to remove a persistent wallpaper. The watch can resync images from the phone and resist normal watch face edits. A reset restores the default watch face and deletes locally stored images and settings. This method erases all data, so prepare carefully. Follow the exact reset steps before you reset, back up any important data in the companion app. Save contacts, health history, and watch settings to the app or cloud. Unpair the watch from your phone if the app stores synced wallpapers to prevent resync after reset. Charge the watch to at least 50% to avoid interruption during the reset. Note your app login and Bluetooth pairing details so you can repair the device after the reset completes successfully. Open Settings on the Fastrack watch and navigate to System, and then reset to factory defaults. Confirm the reset when the watch asks and accept that all data will be erased. If the watch prompts for a reboot, press and hold the side button for 10 seconds until the device restarts. Wait for the reset to finish completely before interacting with the watch. Repair the watch to your phone and avoid resyncing unwanted wallpapers from the companion app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.